Hey guys, this is Joyce, and I am here with the February edition of the Crack the Vault Collaboration 2025. Poetspice is the hostess, and we post every third Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern and 9 a.m. Central. And I will have a list of all of the participants in the box below. Play along with us. There is a hashtag, and it is, oh Lord, I got the paper in my hand. Hashtag Crack the Vault 2025. Play along, go by, check out all the ladies. There have been some awesome projects in January, and you need to go see them. Leave them a comment. And I'm finna get started because it's getting late. Okay, so guys, Crack the Vault is where you use products that you have had in your stash for more than 6 months, or you have not used it in that amount of time. I tell you, I got stuff I've had for several years and not used. So I pulled out these kits that I bought, one of these kits from Tonic that I bought last year. And it comes with all kinds of goodies. It came with a list of what's included, and it tells you what the name is called. Boots and Bouquet. Welcome to the Boots and Bouquets Craft Kit. That's the name of it. It came with, what is this? It's natural cotton expanding mousse. It came with markers and pens, and it came with Moonlight Rose. I didn't use any of this paper. I actually didn't use any of the paper that came in the kit. I'm just showing you some of the stuff. It came with some Nouveau stone drops. I can't wait. I didn't use any of that though, because I made some cards, of course. And it also came with all of this paper here, pretty papers. I'm gonna come back and use this paper for some other projects, but I just did not. And there are a lot of like foils and mirror card, and that 6x6 pad is also mirror. Oh, I like that. And then there's that. So definitely we'll be using some of these in another project. But I had to do some coloring. I'm going to show you what else was in here. This is a hot mess, but it is. So let's close this up, and I will show you what else was in there. It also came with stamps and dies, and I stamped 3 of the boots, and that's what it came with. I used this Cottage Cuts, the large oval die. So it came with this die set and a group of stamps, and that's the boot that I used. I didn't use any of the smaller ones, and I have not used sentiments because I really don't know what I want the cards to be used for. I'll show you the rest of that, but see, there are some other pieces of dies. And everything's a hot mess. And then on this side, there was also one of those bars. So like I said, I didn't use anything but the stamp and the die for the boot and the markers. And then I pulled out all of my other Nouveau markers because, you know, I never color with those. So that's a way to use some of the markers because they have been there for a long, long time. I've been collecting them since I started buying Tonic kits. I have several other kits, and then I might buy mystery bags and stuff, and I'd get markers. So I have a lot of them, and I never used them. And in all the time that I've had them, I had one marker that was totally dried out. One. Everything else on my desk, I did kind of play with it to see if I wanted to use it. So as I said, I stamped 3 of these, and I made 2 cards. And the first card I did was this one. I haven't put sentiments because I'm not really sure what I want these cards to be for. So I thought I'd just get everything done. I did matte, and I think I'm gonna cut an oval because I don't know if I can write on this. But anyway, so this is my first one. I kind of really like how it turned out. My coloring I don't think is all the best, but who cares? I think it looks really good. This paper is paper tray ink. I just got it, and it's honey nut, and I had a piece laying on my table, and this piece was, I think this it's like it's smooth, but it was just like one piece, but I think it's from Michael's. They had some I don't know what they call it. It's not foil, it's not glitter. Anyway, I don't have the packaging for it anymore, but I think that might have been Michael's. But that's my, and this foil here is Michael's, and it's kind of like a bronzy color. And then I did one more, and I decided to go with some blues. I really wasn't liking the blue boot, but it's kind of growing on me. But the flowers, I really wanted to have like wildflowers. You know how you can get almost any kind of flower when you throw in a pack of wildflowers out to grow them, and they just pop up with all kinds of colors. I kind of was going for that effect with this, and that's why I pulled out all of these, because these are the kind of colors that were in the kit. They were all kind of just like that, but I wanted something a little bit more vibrant for the second one, and that is my card. I did matte the inside. Like I said, I'm not sure if I want them to just be thinking of you, or probably not birthday, because I've been working on birthday cards. But, you know, I don't know. So I didn't want to put something on there and then turn around and want to do something else. There was something else that I used. Oh, I got this birthday card. I need to get a gift card to put in there so I can get it in the mail. Okay, so anyway, guys, I am going to call this video done because there was something else that I used, and now I do not see it. And that's what we're going to do. We're just going to call this the end of it. Go by, check out all the ladies that are participating. There will be a link, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, Jamie. Bye for now. See you next month on the third Friday. February is almost gone.